Okay, hello everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mohammed Rizal Faujan, representing the research team from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia and UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. Today, I'm honored to present our research title, Integrated Energy Monitoring and Control System with 3-node ESP32 architecture. This research explores a smart modular IoT-based approach for energy monitoring and control. Here's a quick overview of today's presentation. We'll begin with the background and problem motivation, then move to the purpose system architecture. I will then explain the methodology and how we implemented the system. Afterward, I will present our experimental result divided to three key aspects: accuracy, responsiveness, and network stability. Finally, I will conclude with key insight and future work. Background and problem. Efficiency energy management has become an increasing critical concern to reset global electricity demand, especially in smart homes and industrial applications. While many systems today can perform basic monitoring, they lack the ability to execute real-time control, which limits their practical effectiveness. Most exciting solutions focus on passive data logging without enabling users to act instantly, such as turning device or off remotely based on live data. This gap between observation and control is where our research finds its motivation. We aim to develop a system that seamlessly integrated real-time monitoring and control into one responsive and low-cost platform. We propose a 3-node ESP32 based architecture that separates system functionally across three dedicated microcontrollers. Number one, the transmitter node reads electrical parameters using the PISM 0040 sensor. The number two, the receiver node fetch that data and display in real time on ULED screen. Number three, the remote node. User control load, for example, switching device on or off using physical button. These three nodes communicating using HTTP over Wi-Fi, providing wireless yet modular setup. This separation improves flexibility and ensures that data acquisition and control action don't interfere with one another. For implementation, we use ESP32 boards and program them in Arduino IDE. The PISM 10040 sensor measures standard parameters, voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, and power factor via UART. The transmitter HS and HTTP server serving real-time data. The receiver HS a client and fetch that data every 5 seconds, displaying it on OLED using UHD2 graphic library. The remote module HS command sender. It's data button presses and send HTTP request to activate or deactivate a relay connect to the load. The bouncing logic ensures commands are clean and not triggered accidentally. To test the system, we perform three sets experiments. One on sensor accuracy, another one response time, and finally on communication stability under various Wi-Fi conditions. We evaluate the accuracy of the PRISM 0040 by comparing it with a commercial grade Hioki clamp power meter. Multiple electrical devices we are tested, from low power appliances like television to high power loads like air conditioner and water pump. Research shows voltage and power factor deviation of less than zero point 0.5, and the highest power deviation was 5.46%, which is within acceptable tolerance for most real-time monitoring needs. This indicates that the sensor perform reliability across a range of electrical loads and sustainable for practical application. Next, ladies and gentlemen, for system responsiveness, we measure two latencies. Number one, data latencies from transmitter to receiver. Number two, relay activation delay for the remote control to the relay output. On average, data transmission latency was 1.013 seconds, which include HTTP request response times and ULED display refresh delay. Relay switching was significantly faster, averaging just 581 milliseconds, allowing near instant load switching based on user input. This proved the system responsive enough for real-time energy control. Next, network stability. Lastly, we assess network performance under different Wi-Fi conditions. With strong signal strength below minus 50 dBm, latency was only around 810 milliseconds. In moderate condition, minus 50 to minus 70 dBm, latency increased to 1.15 seconds. However, in weak signal condition below minus 70 dBm, latency rose to 1.78 seconds and occasional HTTP request delay occurred. Despite this, the system remained functional and did not disconnect, showing that it's stable enough for real-world environments. Conclusion and future works. To summarize, we designed a low-cost modular system using ESP32 that combine both real-time energy monitoring and remote control. The system performance with acceptable measurement accuracy, low latency, and stable network communication. Its architecture supports scalability, making it editable for home, commercial, or like industrial use. For future improvements, we plan to replace HTTP with MQTT or WebSocket for better performance and security. We also aim to add data logging, mobile app control, and explore power saving strategies for ESP32 deployment in remote or batteries-based systems. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I welcome any question or feedback you might have. Thank you.